So over here, you can see that in the slides, I got some images. And let's say what I want to do is I want to crop them off. So to do that, all you need to do is click on the image that you want to crop and then click on the crop button right here. Once you do that, you get the crop marks and you can go ahead and crop it out as you like right here, just like this, and press the check mark button. And this is what you have. If you want to get back the cropped images, that is the area of the cropped image, then you can simply go around over here onto crop, click and drag it out right here, and then press the check mark right here. You can go around over here onto crop and then even go ahead onto, let's say for example, shapes right here and choose the shapes as you want. And then you got the crop accordingly. You can go around and choose a heart shape as you can see, and even go ahead and choose different aspect ratio as you want right here for the crop right here. And this is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and crop out images inside of Terabox as you need. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.